UNDP, in partnership with the government of Japan, is working to ensure that Japanese companies and their supply chains in Ghana have the required knowledge and expertise in promoting responsible business practices in their operations. Hence this training.
Before this training, we were only concerned or thinking about only the human resource in our company, where we have the human resource policies, and we think that suffices. But this training has opened our mind to know that this got to do with a deliberate policy for the human rights.